Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making the delicious Washington apple shot. Okay, for tonight's ingredients, we're actually going to do two variants of this shot. So the ingredients that we're going to use tonight are good old Crown Royal. We're going to use sour apple. We're also going to use on our other variant, Crown Apple. These are all going to be used with cranberry, which is on our gun right now. I can't put that on the counter. These are ingredients for tonight's shots. Let's get started making that drink. Okay guys, now for our first shot, we're going to grab our tin. We're going to put some ice in it. Okay, first ingredient, we're going to do a ½ ounce of Crown Royal. Then we're going to use a ½ ounce of sour apple. Then we're going to use a ½ ounce of cranberry, which is on our gun. Okay, we're going to shake this up real good. Bring over our shot glass. Bring over our strainer. And that right there is the Zombies Bar Washington apple shot. This is how you regularly make it. Now, I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to grab another tin, just like this, fill this with ice. Now, this is a variant way to make this. I make this all the time. We're going to do Crown Apple. We're going to do 1 ounce of Crown Apple. We're going to follow that by a ½ ounce of cranberry. We're going to shake this up. Bring over our shot glass. Grab our strainer. There you go. Now this is also the Zombies Bar Washington apple shot. So the difference between these two, this one that we made with the sour apple tastes a little bit more sour. This one tastes a little bit more sweet. So depending on your taste buds, which you prefer, you can make it both ways. Either or, these are the Zombies Bar Washington apple shots. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the Zombies Bar Washington apple shots. Either way, order them the next time you come into the bar. We would love to make one for you. If you guys like what I'm doing, please, down below, hit the like button. If there's a drink, a shot, something you want me to make, put it in the comments section down below. Until our next drink or shot, I'll see you then.